Imagine, just by using 2 free buy-sell indicators, you can start earning consistent profits from scalping. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will discuss a scalping strategy that is not only easy to use but also suitable for all traders. We will demonstrate how to use this buy-sell indicator trading strategy for Forex scalping. But don't worry, because besides being suitable for Forex trading, you can also apply this scalping strategy to other assets like gold or XAUUSD, crypto, stocks, and various other assets. Make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to support this channel by liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you won't miss the latest trading strategies we'll share. Let's get started. To use this scalping strategy, you can start by accessing Tradingview. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type XTL. Next, select the XTL Indicator by Scaravano. After that, configure the XTL Indicator settings. Go to the Input tab and change the CCI period value to 50. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, you can adjust the colors for bar color and VMA according to your preference. Once all settings are complete, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The XTL indicator will be used as a signal filter in the market. There are 2 types of confirmation filters you can get when using this indicator. Confirmation from candlestick colors. Green candlesticks indicate an uptrend signal. Red candlesticks indicate a downtrend signal. White candlesticks mean there is no signal confirmation. In this situation, we recommend canceling all setup plans you have prepared. Confirmation from XTL line colors. A green XTL line indicates an uptrend signal. The red XTL line indicates a downtrend signal. A white XTL line means the market is in a sideways condition or there is no clear trend. Now, add the second indicator, which we will use as a guide to placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type BlackPika Algo. Then, select the BlackPika Algo indicator by Pikachu Ventures. Next, configure the settings for this indicator. In the Input tab, change the lookback period value to 10. Adjust the sensitivity value to 8.5. Next, go to Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the options for TP when long and TP when short. Change the colors of the upper line and lower line to white. We will use the BlackPika Algo indicator to identify the best points for placing orders in the market. You simply need to follow the signals provided by the indicator. In addition to guiding you in opening orders, we will also use this indicator to guide the placement of stop-loss orders in the market. If you are in a buy position, you can place your stop-loss at the lower line. If you are in a sell position, you can place your stop-loss at the upper line. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this buy-sell indicator. How to place a sell order. If the sell signal from the BlackPika indicator appears, you must first ensure that it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell order. Confirm that the XTL line indicates a downtrend. Ensure that the candlestick also confirms the downtrend. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has fully closed. Place your stop loss at the upper line. Set your take profit target using a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the buy signal from the BlackPika indicator appears, you must first ensure that it is a valid buy signal before placing a buy order. Confirm that the XTL line indicates an uptrend. Ensure that the candlestick also confirms the uptrend. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick has fully closed. Place your stop loss at the lower line. Set your take profit target using a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the sell signal from the BlackPika indicator appears, you must first ensure that it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell order. Confirm that the XTL line indicates a downtrend. Ensure that the candlestick also confirms the downtrend. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has fully closed. Place your stop loss at the upper line. Set your take profit target using a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain proper money management and your trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.